Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so very much for joining me today. I hope, as always, you're having an amazing day. I bought another Temu advent calendar. This one is an advent calendar with fashion jewelry. Looks big and sparkly on the front, and we get 24 days. I don't know how this was sent, but to me it feels like everything is everywhere. It doesn't feel like we're going to be opening it and everything is going to be in the right place, but we are going to get into it and start having a look. I'm kind of interested. I've never bought a jewelry advent calendar from Temu. I have bought a number of advent calendars for 2025 and they will be uploaded as we go along. But this one I find very interesting. Like I said, this side feels very heavy, so it feels like a lot of things have fallen. But we're going to go. We're going to just take it as it comes and we're going to get through. Oh my gosh, these are super hard to get through. So we have something in day one and we have this little keyring. I don't know if a keyring is fashion jewelry. It could be a fashion accessory. And I am not quite sure what this is, whether it goes this way or it goes this way. No, I think it definitely goes this way. So first item is a keyring. I'm just going to tear these off as we go along. Number two is very, very small. Let's see if we can get into number two. I'm making it easy. Number two has got 0, so I'm never going to know what's in that box because I think they're all down here. Let's go for number 3. Bad start. Number 3's got nothing. Number 4. Oh, number 4 has something, which is good. Oh, number 4. Oh, this is actually not bad. I like silver and white gold. This is a little silver ring with I think a dragonfly. I like, oh, maybe a bee. It's supposed to be a bee. If you can see it, it has the little bee type engraving on it. It's not a bad ring. Let's see, does it fit? I'll take mine off. And it fits. A little bit big, but that's okay. That's actually quite, doesn't fit this one. Do you like a thumb ring though? That's a little tight on my thumb. Let me just get this off and I'll be right back. Okay, that took a minute. That is definitely too tight for my thumb, but it does fit my ring finger. It is a nice ring. That's not bad. I will probably, however, donate that little ring. We'll go into number 5, which is teeny weeny and very hard to open. Oh, but we have something which is nice. Oh, we have an infinity ring in gold. It is a adjustable ring, so that's pretty. Fits my little ring finger, or my little pinky. Nice ring. Let's go find, we're at number 5, number 6 over here. Inside number 6, do we have something? That is a very big box, a very, 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 very small gift. Oh, not so small, I guess. Oh, we have these little hair pins, decorations for your hair. These are adorable. I actually don't mind these at all. They've got a yellowy gold in the center, no stones, but they are shiny. And these just clip in when you have some, like a bun in your hair, just to give a bit of decoration. They're little hooks, which are nice. Quite weighty here, no weight here, but very weighty here, and are super pretty and adorable. Very, very nice. I might actually keep those. Number 7 is right here. Oh, number 7 has something that it almost slipped out. Oh, okay. This looks like a spatula. I don't know if you guys, let me try to see if I can get a refocus. It looks like a spatula. It is adjustable. It's actually quite a dainty, pretty ring, but just a bit weird, I guess. Adjustable, which is good. That was in day 7. Let's go get into day 8. We got nothing. Day 9. What have we got in day 9? We got nothing. Let's go to 10. I think 16. I think this bottom row is going to have everything else. But let's get into day 10. Okay, day 10, we do have something in a little baggie. We have, I think it's a necklace. Let's open it and get right in. Okay, a little bit tangled. Okay, let me untangle and I'll come back. Okay, we have a nice, fine, dainty little necklace with a Y. It's very pretty. It's gold colored. It's a pretty necklace, not something that I will use. I don't know where I put the bag. But again, a very cute donatable little item. That was 10. Let's go to 11. These really don't want me to get in at all. 11. Open up 11. Oh, 11. We have something, which is really good. We have another ring. This is I believe, a Moon and Stars ring in silver, which is more my style. I really like this, actually. It's a very, very pretty ring. I think this is supposed to be a mood ring, but, I mean, it's a cheap £6 advent calendar, so I don't believe it's going to be a mood ring, but that's super pretty. Now we move on to 12. I am so forcing these. And I don't want to rip the rest of the advent calendar, but we got nothing in 12. So we're going to move swiftly on to 13. And we have nothing in 13 and 14. This is a real shame to me because an advent calendar is one of those things that you want to open the days and you want to find your items in it. You don't want them all in the bottom, but we have what we have and we have to work with what we've got to work with. It's got nothing in 14 and then 15. So sad. Nothing in 15. What have we got in 16? 16, I think, is going to be filled with stuff. Look. And I don't even know if there's anything in the rest of the days, but let's push these things forward. So we're going to just go through these. These are probably from a lot of the other days. So we have lots of backs of earrings. I'm just going to put these back in the little box in case we come across a nice pair of earrings that we love. So we have, my goodness, we have a lot of mess. Okay, we have a single earring. We'll double back to that when we find the other one. So we have a number of these, and I don't know if they're all in this from the same box, or if they're not, who knows? But I'm going to go through them one by one. So we have this little, looks like a pumpkin. Little pendant that you can attach it from a necklace. You have got, oh my gosh, I'm just dropping everything. You've got this, which is Jessica. I do not know any Jessicas. And this looks weird. It looks like it looks a little bit like a baseball figuring, but again, pendant. It can be put on a necklace. I have no idea. This looks like a bottle can opener. I do not know what this is. We'll double back if we find anything that's relevant to that. We have a Daniel, and in an American football. We have an accordion. So this is actually quite cute. We have an accordion, which is cute. It's in silver. Again, it has the little bits at the top to put it onto a necklace. I'm wondering, do we get a necklace inside? Who knows? And then we have an eagle. And this, again, I really, really like. These are super, super thin, but another little pendant chain on top. We do have some back ends for some earrings. We're going to pop those off the side. And we're going to move to 17. Oh, I'm going to break a thumb. We have nothing in 17. Do we have anything in 18? Oh, we do not. This is from a different one, but let's pop it out. We have a deer, and I have no clue what this name is because it is so small. Oh, yes, I do. It again is Jessica. So Jessica is super popular. But you can put a little necklace on the top. None of this stuff so far. I mean, outside of, we'll double back on that, but nothing is really grabbing my attention. Did we get to 18? We're going to go to 19, which is this tiny little one right down here. And I'm just going to start ripping the box. 19. Oh, we have a ton of little earrings. So that's what all the back ends were for. I'm going to put them to the side so I don't lose them. So we have we have randomness. So these are so random unless we find something else inside the bag. So these are our earrings. One is gold, one is silver. Weird. And then we have, I think, these little paw prints. None of these earrings I'll use. I find it very strange that we're getting 2 different colored earrings in the box. But I totally knew when I was buying this it wasn't going to be great. I bought it knowing that, and what I could donate, I would donate, and what I couldn't donate, I wouldn't. Oh, we have more earrings in another pack. Oh, well, we found the gold one. So we found the gold one. At least we have a pair of the gold. And then we have the same little earrings, the paw prints in gold. We now have them in gold and silver, should we want to do that. We have got 21. Inside 21, we have, we now have the silver one. So we have 3 full sets of earrings. None of these, obviously, will I wear, but that is okay. I really like this little, keychain. I think it's an Irish, if I can't read that, but I like the cross, but I do think it has a name on it. Oh, Jack something or other. If you guys can know what that says, let me know. It's not a bad little key ring, but because it's personalized, it's of really no use. We're going to rip through, try not to rip the others, to 22, and we have a bunch of stuff. Again, we have lots of these little earring backings, so I think that they've come from the other sets, but let's grab out and the rest are back ends of earrings. We found the other little earring. I do actually quite like these. They are push throughs and they've just got a little wave at the front. So I do like these. I probably might use those. We have another one of those pendants. I like this one. It's an oil. Very cute and adorable. And I may keep that because I have a necklace that I could repurpose. And then we have this keyring with, I think, is this a bull's head or a bull skull? I mean, this is not nice because this little bit, although it looks gold, is silver. And this keychain part is gold. I don't like that. But I may repurpose some of these and put it onto this little keychain. Who knows? So far, this has not been a great experience. But we're going to keep going right to the end. Let's go ahead and open 23, the penultimate. We have a little gold ring. Gold, again, is not my color, but this is a nice little donatable item. This is adjustable. I mean, if this was in silver, I'd definitely keep it as a little pinky ring, but it isn't, so I won't. And then 24, which is I think, the tiniest box that we have. Oh, we have tiny little earrings. Again, we have back ends for these earrings. I'm just going to put them to the side, and then I'm going to show you guys the earrings. Oh, and these aren't actually bad. They're gold, so I wouldn't wear them, but cute. Little double heart earrings. Well, guys, all in all, for the £6 that I paid for this advent calendar, there are a few bits and pieces that I could use. I still have zero clue what this is. Anybody knows? Please comment below. I am intrigued. This is a whole pile. Let me tip you guys down. This is a whole pile of jewelry. And I think out of it, there's maybe a few pieces. I mean, I really, really like these. I really like these little earrings. Probably everything else will be donated or dumped. Awful, but maybe. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm always interested in your opinions. Guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed my cheap little advent calendar, and you guys will now know whether you think it's worth buying or not. And just, guys, always know that on Temu prices vary. So you might get this cheaper. You might end up paying a little bit more for it on a daily basis. prices vary. But again, thank you so much for joining me today. I would really appreciate it if you would like, share and subscribe. It really does help my channel grow. And I love doing these videos for you. Guys, please take care, please stay safe, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.